Hello everyone, I am Priti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department, A shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our next practical is practical number 4. It is draw the plan of electrical installation scheme for given HT, that is 11 kV connection using AutoCAD. So first of all, what is the practical significance of this experiment? So every diploma electrical engineering must be well aware of various components of HV installation system with their location and the application. This helps him to prepare the plan layout drawing of the given HV installation. He or she can execute the work at almost care, ensuring the IE rules and their safety norms. So this is the practical significance. So what is the aim of this practical? The aim of this course or this practical is to help the student to attend the industrial identified competency through various teaching learning experience. So what is the aim regarding this experiment? It is the plan electrical installation with their cost estimate. Then practical outcomes: draw the single line wiring of the given or above HT 11 kV installation. Then draw the symbol of installation components or equipments on the above plan, shown their location. Then draw the installation wiring route diagram for the above plan. Then what is the precaution to be followed for this experiment? So use the standard electrical symbol as per the IE rules to represent the electrical installation accordingly. Segregate the wiring installations with the proper suitable color coding. Then clearly specify the position, location, spacing of points. That means it is a equipments with proper labeling and numbering. Then segregate the all instruments separated by the color coding. Then procedure: collect the plan requirement of the electrical HT station from the civil consultant or suggested by the staff member or class teacher. Then draw the provide suggested to of plan in the AutoCAD. Clearly indicate the position. Then next is draw the layout of HV installation representing the location of the components. Then specify the clearance clearly wherever it is essential, and use the color labeling to make the diagram easy to understand. Then this is the 11 kV installation. So in this installation, so first is prepare this installation in the AutoCAD. So this is the AutoCAD drawing which is prepared in AutoCAD 2017 and then paste here. Okay, then converted into the PDF and then paste here. So this is the diagram which shows the all component like lighting arrestor, then isolator, fuse, then transformer, after that operating handle for isolator, oil circuit breaker, that means OCB, etc. These are the HT 11 kV installation which is drawn on AutoCAD. Then next is the single line diagram for the HT 11 kV substation. So this is a single line diagram. This diagram also draw in AutoCAD. So in this AutoCAD, first 11 kV how to draw this diagram. So first one is the 11 kV line is drawn. Then in left side lightning arrestor, then go switch is connected. Then after that potential transformer to measure the voltage, high voltage. Then 11 kV oil circuit breaker, OCB. Then here CT is connected, that is ratio is 50:5. Then transformer is also connected. This is 1 MVA transformer. The rating is 11 kV by 400 volt. Then a main oil circuit breaker, main OCB. And then last is again one CT is connected here. That is 1200/5. In left hand side and right hand side both circuits are same. This is transferred to the consumer. The supply is transferred to the consumer. And last line which is 400 volt bus bar. So 400 volt bus bar to provide the remaining lines, remaining supply to the, from 400 voltage we supply to the consumer. Then we will take the one numerical for making the list of material. So in this numerical, estimate the quantity of the material and the cost of erecting 75 kVA pole mounted substation by extending the existing 11 kV overhead which is existing at a distance of 500 meter. The substation is to be used for lighting load having two feeders sharing equal load on LT side. So first calculate the current. So here pole mounted substation is there, that means 75 kVA pole mounted substation transformer is used. So first calculate the load current. So calculate the load current is equal to 75 into 1000 divided by root 3 into 11 kV. So 11 kV converted into the volt and 75 kVA is also converted into the VA. So that's why 1000 से हमने multiply किया है. Then after calculating this value we get 3.937 ampere. So for this 3.97 ampere, squirrel 6/1 into 2.11 ACSR is selected for the purpose of overhead line and impedance of that cable, that is 1.4 ohm per kilometer. Therefore, then find out the the voltage drop in the 500 meter span. So voltage drop is equal to root 3 into I into R. So R is I into R or I into Z. So I into R. So 1.4 divided by 2 into 3.973. So impedance having the resistance as well as reactance, but voltage drop is equal to IR. That's why 1.4 divided by 2 we will taken here. So therefore is equal to, after calculating this value 4.77 we get the voltage is very much within the limit. Then length of the conductor squirrel 6/1 into 2.11 size. It is 3 into 500 because of the 3-phase line. So that's why 3 conductors we want. So 3 into 500 is equal to 500 is the kilometers, meter, that means distance. So that's why 3 into 500, that means 1500 meter is there. So 1.5 kilometer is the conversion of meter to kilometer. Then weight for 85 kg per meter is there. So 1.5 into 85 is equal to 127.5 kgs. Then consider the wastage and sag. The weight will be approximately 140 kgs. Then pole PCC long. The span is 500 divided by 50. So it is 10 meter is the span. So total number of poles required is 16 numbers. 2 numbers of the each poles and 4 numbers for the 4 pole structure. Then 25 square mm 3 core 11 kV cable is used. GL wire number 8 SWG 140 kg, including the earthing of the poles and guarding. So this is the list of material for this. So first we want the PVC 1100 volt aluminum conductor 3.5 core 400 square mm ground cable. 60 quantity we need, 700 per meter, and the total is 42000. Then we need a screen aluminum conductor, lead alloy sheet, double steel tape or single wire armor, 22 kV 3 core 25 square mm. This is the size of the cable. Underground cabling is there, so quantity is 20 and the total rate is 6960. Then transformer is required, 0.4 kV to 11 kV. Their price is 200000. Then next is metal clad indoor type air circuit breaker. So 400 by 440 volt, 3 phase, 400 4 wire, 50 hertz, 500 ampere, having the rupturing capacity is 10 MVA. So and with their accessories, that means bus bar support we want. Then CT ratio, CT is also required, 3 CTs. Their ratio is 500 by 5 ampere. Then voltmeter 500 volt. Then for 500 volt range voltmeter is required. Then 1000 ampere ammeter is required. So these are the total requirement. That's why their price is 47590. Then we need the other components also. So this is the list of that. Okay, price of estimated is 812225. This is the total cost of the project work, and this numerical is already teach in the lecture as well. So any confusion of this material, so please refer that PPTs. Thank you.